Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call voice assistant using your earbuds Cellularline FLICK. So, firstly we need to allocate touch areas relegated to the back side of each earbud. Right here at the top we have them. So, to call voice assistant, you need to press 3 times at your left or right earbud. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, it worked. With the right one, let's check the left one. So, 1, 2, 3. And it also works. So I call Gemini, because we set up Gemini at this phone. If you set up Google Assistant, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you have Samsung, you will call it Bixby. And this one is the only one option how to call voice assistant, because there is no application for these earbuds, and we cannot use the app to check to call voice assistant. I mean to customize these gestures and add this feature to another gesture. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!